Alright, this is Ubaid on behalf of Electronics, and in this video we're going to be talking about yield. Okay, so this has to do with your face value and your present value, okay, for your coupon bonds. So if you're trying to figure out what the interest is, let's say you want to know what the interest is, and you know what the present value and the face value is. So let's say somebody paid $800. Okay, this will be your present value. And let's say the face value of the coupon bond is $1,000. Okay, this will be your FV. All right, now to figure out interest, we'll use the same formula that we use for compounding. Okay, and that would be relevant to your present value. So we know that present value equals future value divided by 1 plus I all raised to n. Okay, so to figure out I over here, we'll need to rearrange the equation. Okay, and how do we rearrange the equation? Okay, so let me write this down over here. So this is present value equals future value over 1 plus I raised to n. Okay, so to rearrange the equation, you'll simply go ahead, multiply the present value, 1 plus I raised to n. Bring this on the other side. Okay, equals future value. All right, now to separate your I, okay, you will go ahead and write 1 plus I all raised to n equals future value over present value. Okay, which means that 1 plus I is equal to nth root of future value over present value. Okay, this is nth root. All right, which means that your I equals, okay, your nth root of future value over present value minus 1. All right, so let's say, for example, this coupon bond matures in 1 year. Your n will be 1, so this will be 1. Your face value, okay, will be 1,000. Divide by your present value is what you paid for the coupon bond. Let's say $800, assuming you paid $800. Okay, all minus 1. Okay, this is all minus 1. So this will be 1,000 divided by 800, and you figure out the root. This is 1.25, and we'll go ahead and figure out the root. 1.25 for 1 year, okay, minus 1. This will be 0.25. Okay, so the answer is 0.25 or 25%. All right, now you can rearrange the equation and see if this is correct. Okay, so we know that your present value equals future value, or in this case, face value. Okay, because we're talking about coupon bonds. Okay, so face value divided by 1 plus I raised to n. We know n equals 1. We know face value is 1,000. So this is 1 plus 0.25 all raised to n, which is 1. Okay, so this will be 1.25. So 1,000 divided by 1.25. Okay, all raised to 1. Okay, this will be $800. Okay, and this is what you paid for these bonds. So these bonds were probably sold at a discounted price because the market rate or the going rate, okay, would have been more than the coupon rate. Okay, if the coupon rate was, let's assume, 5%. Okay, or let's assume that the coupon rate was 20%. Okay, the market rate would have been 25%, for example. Okay, so that's the reason why they were sold at a discounted price, because people, the investors, were willing to pay less for these coupon bonds. Okay, hence the discount. Okay, that will be it for this video. On behalf of Electronics, this is Ubaid. Have yourself a great day.